Hello, what's up, my beautiful people? It's Man Kolo again. Uh, it's a good evening in East Africa, Kenya. So, I don't know what's your time in your country. Let me say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's depend in which country are you from. So guys, here in East Africa, Kenya, right now, I don't know what's the time, but it's evening. So today, guys, we just walk around. You write down there in the comment section. How is you? How was your day? But my day is going smoothly today. So I thank God for the life He has given me and a chance for today. So I really thank God. So guys, I was saying this. If you got another chance to wake up, you have to thank God. So right now we are in the road. Look guys, it's evening in East Africa. Look guys, it's pretty good. It's very good. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please uh, make sure you subscribe, you like and share. Show me some love guys. So it has been raining since morning, but they have stopped now. So no rain right now. So when uh, when I was to go and shoot a video, it just rain. But when rain just stopped right now, I decided to go and shoot at least I be able to shoot a video. You know guys, I don't want to slack. I have to take it. So guys, let's start from there. Let me show you all over. So as you see guys, it's like it's not good, but at least you see, but I now able to shoot no more rain, but it's dark, so it won't affect my video. It won't affect it. So I don't know how long it will take to I don't know how long the weather will change, but let's just do it. Let's just shoot it like the way it is for now. So like for now, it disappoint you because of the weather. I've disappointed you guys, but not really my fault, because you see at the weather speed not good. So I have never shot a video before about a tea, but I'll plan to go and show you a tea plantation in Kericho, for those who know Kericho County. I'll plan and go there and show you gold mines. You know, in our county, that's Kericho County. These are called a good place with tea. Like we call a green county or green place. So I'll plan and go there, show you a big farm of tea plantation. But for now, I'll show you some tea in my village. So, but it's good. It's good. You know, I've shared my ideas or my green place. So what have been not tough for us, like now, you know, I've already tell you that the rain has been raining since morning. You see, so water is not tough for us to get or to find, so it's very easy, because here in sorry, let me pass first. So here in the village, there is many, or there is more poor holes, and at the same time we have some rivers, you know. So water is not a problem here. The problem is weather. You see, at this time, you know, weather is not good. So I don't want to shoot a long video because of the weather. You know, right now there's a problem. It's dark, so I don't want to shoot a long video because you're not able to see what I'm trying to show you. But I just wanted to show you. But right now it's dark. Even there, the forest, you see, it's not taking a clear shot. Like, you know, in the morning, it's really clear and fantastic. But you know, in the afternoon, or in rainy season, it affect camera. It's not taking a clear shot. So guys, I just wanted to cut the video from there. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, please kindly subscribe, like and share, so that you support me. Oh, it's very cold, but guys, don't see I don't wanna show you my place, but it's just because of the weather right now. So please guys, I don't take it for granted, but because you have been showing me love, supporting me, I don't take it for granted. So just allow me to cut the video from there, and I'll shoot tomorrow. We'll just go around and see what's going on. So guys, pick up my friends, my YouTube family, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, you like and share. So bye, in the next video. I love you all.